Come on, don't do that.
Did you sleep well? Did you have sweet dreams?
Yeah. I was having sex in my dream.
Oh, too much information.
You asked for that.
Yeah.